So this is the trip from Digue Island to Mahe Island, and I'm going to leave a link in the description on where to book the ferry tickets. She also packs some water bottles just in case you are thirsty, because the whole trip lasts about 2 hours. I definitely recommend you go through MC Car Rental Company. They always send someone to pick us up. So here, when we arrived in May, there is this awesome lady who was waiting for us and prepared the car for us to drive away. We stayed in Felicie Cottage and the stay was amazing. It has a pool. It was very conveniently located next to the beach, and stores nearby where we could buy fruits and fresh bread. Here I'm making breakfast with some fresh fruits.
It's perfect. The avocado is giant here, and the texture, it's just so creamy. Passion fruit. Papaya.
And here you go, this is a breakfast made with papaya, avocado and passion fruit. So the cottage has a pool, and here Nico is enjoying himself. When you go out from the cottage, you have a few stores where you can run your errands immediately on the right, and when you walk a few meters in front, you will see the beach and this amazing view. Felicie Cottage host is really friendly. I hope you'll be able to discuss with her. She is just very open-minded and will be very helpful. Here she even gave us a whole huge fish for our barbecue dinner and helped us to prepare the fire as well.
La cuisinière nous propose son poisson du jour, mariné aux oignons, rempli d'huile.
Tiens bien l'assiette.
Regardez-moi ce petit grouper.
This is me enjoying a large mouthful of barbecue fish, and see you next.